Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the Java Basics series. In the last session, we discussed about the binary search. In this session, we will learn about recursive linear search with the help of Java. As usual, before going to the code, let's understand this recursive search with the help of an Excel sheet. So now we have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So I wantedly skipped 6. We have an array of 8 length. There are 8 elements in the array, and I want to fetch a key which is 5. Now the search is very simple. I will first search at index 1, index 0. Let me add the index also here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first I will search if the key 5 is present in array index 0. The value at array index 0 is 1. So 5 is not equals to 1. So this condition will fail. Now I will search the last element, the element at the last index of the array, which is 9 here. The index is 7 and the element is 9. Now I will compare the value 5 with 9. This will also not match and it will fail. Then I will come back here and search for the second element. It will also fail. Then I will search here. This will fail. Then I will come to 3. It will fail. Then I will come to 7. It will fail. Then I will come to here and it will fail. Finally, I will find the value which is equivalent to the key. Now how to do this? It is very simple. As usual, we will take the left index. Earlier we called it start index. Now I am calling it left index. So left index is 0 and the right index, and which is 7. I will search it at index 0. If it matches, then I will just come out of the loop. Otherwise, I will go to the rightmost 7. And if it not match, I will just increment the left index to 1 and search here at the left index 1, which is 2. If it fails, I will decrement the right index to 6. If it matches here, then I will come back out of loop. Otherwise, I will increment left, and if it doesn't match, I will come to right side and I will decrement this right index, and then I will go back to the left index and increment it. If it fails, finally I will come back here by reducing the or decrementing the index of the right side. So here it matches, then I will come out of the loop. So if the array doesn't have the element, the key, then it will just give -1 as the index, which means the element is not found. Now let's quickly dive into the code to write this logic. As usual, I will create a Java class and I will name it as Recursive Linear Search. And I will create a main method. This time I will create a separate method for this logic, static int. I am giving int as the return type so that we will get the index in the form of integer or number. And I will just name this method also as recursive search and I will take some inputs as parameters. First one is integer array, then the key, then the left, and then the right. Now, first we will check one condition. The left should always be less than the right. If it is, if this condition fail, it means that the element, the key is not found in the array. So I will just return -1. Second condition. This is the actual condition. If array of left is equals to the key, then return left. So we are returning the index, which is the left index. Otherwise, if the array of right is equals to key, then return right. If none of these matches, all we have to do is return recursive. Again, we will call this method recursively. So we will pass the same array, we will pass the same key, but we will increment the left index and we will decrement the right index. That's all. Now all we have to do is call this method from the main method. So I'm creating an array and I'm giving the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm wantedly skipping 6, 8, 9. Then I'm looking for the key 7, which is actually at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The index 5. So our method should, our program should give us the value as 5. Let us see if it works. Int key equal to 7. Then we will take a variable. I'll just call it index to print. I'll just use recursive search method and I will pass the parameters array, then key, then as you know left is 0 and the right is, it's very simple, array dot length -1 because the index starts from 0. Now I will just write a condition. If index equals to -1, it means that key does not found. Otherwise, key found at index. Let me save this as we saw. So our key 7 is present at index 5. As it is starting, the index will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our output should be key found at index 5. Let us run this. As you see, the key found at index 5. Suppose we search for 9. And let me run this. As you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the number 9, element 9 is present at index 7. What if I give any number which is not present? For example, 6. 6 is not present in the array. I will run it. It should throw key does not found. As you can see, it is not found. So this way, we can recursively search for a key in the list of in the array of numbers. So hope you understood. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.